Hello, my name's Kate Toon and I'm the head chef here at the Recipe for SEO Success. And I'm guessing, if you're watching this video, you've decided that this is the year that you're going to finally grapple the Google beast and take control of your own search engine optimization. Perhaps you've had a bad experience with an SEO company. Maybe you've tried studying on your own, but just become overwhelmed by all the information, the jargon, and the conflicting opinions. Or maybe you're looking for a bit of structure and a plan of which steps to take and which things are priorities so that you can get the maximum amount of SEO work done in your busy business life. Well, this course can help with all of that. The Recipe for SEO Success is an online learning program that runs over 7 weeks. You get emails each week with the content, but don't worry, if life gets in the way, you can take the course at your own pace. You get ongoing access to all the course material, which means that you can pop back whenever you like and watch videos again, redo worksheets, and go over the learnings as many times as you want. The course is updated every year, so right now it's 2018 and I'm in the process of updating every video and worksheet to make sure that it's following the current best practice, which means you can relax knowing you have one source of truth where you can keep up to date with all the current SEO thinking. Now, this course isn't like other e-courses. I don't just let you log in and watch a few videos. Instead, I'm here to support you. You get 3 months support with the course and a Facebook group where you can ask questions and get additional tips. We also have weekly group coaching calls where you can join in, ask questions about your specific problems and your specific site. This is a comprehensive SEO course that starts right at the beginning and takes you through to intermediate level SEO skills. You'll be able to do everything you need to do to DIY your SEO. But what's in the course? Let's have a little look at the curriculum. In week 1, we start with the big picture SEO. What is SEO? How do algorithms work? What does Google want from us on our sites? We also take a look at what makes our businesses special and who are our customers. These questions are fundamental to getting the most out of our search engine optimization. In week 2, we get technical, but don't be scared. I'm here to help. We're going to dig into all the big issues that most websites have around speed, crawlability, and responsiveness. And I'm not only going to show you how to audit your site and find all the issues, I'm also going to give you solutions on how to fix them. Week 3 is always a student favorite. Easy peasy keyword research. How to find those keywords that not only deliver traffic, but traffic that converts. I'll be showing you different ways to research and brainstorm keywords, how to evaluate their usefulness, and how to pick keywords that really do give you a return on your investment. In week 4, SEO copywriting, it's my favorite. I'm going to tell you how to use those keywords that you've found and how to integrate them into your pages and posts and site. How to write content that pleases humans and the Google gods, that helps you rank, but also helps you engage, convert, build trust, and make customers fall in love with your brand. Week 5 is all about backlinks. Building backlinks in a safe way to drive awareness and traffic and authority and trust to your website. We don't do any black hat stuff. I give you legitimate, intelligent ways to earn links for your business website. Week 6, content marketing. And in this week, we cover a lot. We go through social media, how to write blog posts, how to write killer headlines, how to optimize images, how to optimize videos. There's so much in the content week, but I know students of the course come back to it again and again. Finally, in week 7, we have the measurement week. How to track your SEO success. What metrics should you use as a guide? And what should you do for the rest of your SEO journey? I give you a roadmap and simple tasks that you can do every single month that's going to deliver great results for your site. There are also 2 bonus courses you can choose from after you finish the 7 weeks. We have e-commerce SEO that teaches you all about how to write really great product descriptions, how to structure your site, how to make your site more usable, and how to sell more products. We have local SEO, such a big area of SEO, how to show up for location-based keywords, how to get into the local pack, how to build local authority. It's less of an e-course and more of an online learning hub that you're going to use for the rest of your digital business life. Now, what makes this course truly different, apart from the support and the great content, are the results. Students from the course who put in the hard work have had amazing results, jumping from page 40 in the search results right up to page 1, ranking in top position for hundreds of keywords, getting into the local pack, drawing traffic and converting customers to their site every single day. If you don't believe me, check out the testimonials. There are heaps there to read and videos to watch from real humans with real websites who manage to get real results. When it comes to SEO, I don't just talk the talk, I walk the walk. Everything I teach on this course I have practiced and done myself, and everything I teach has worked for me, giving me #1 rankings for hundreds of keywords across my 6 websites. I've helped big corporates, charities, agencies and small businesses get to grips with Google, and now I'm ready to help you.